thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling my refrigerator. It needed to be scrubbed completely. It was so full of stuff. Things that were expired needed to get thrown away. So I got in there and I just went through every single thing, freezer, fridge, all of it. It's getting done today. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. My name is Brianna. I am a full-time stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, ages 4 and 1, and I am also a full-time in-home worker. In my spare time, I love to pick a project in my house to get done and tackle it, whether that's deep cleaning, organizing, decluttering, what have you. It's what I do. It's what I like to do in my spare time. So if you have anything that you need to get done in your house today, please join me. Let's get this done together. I would love to be your buddy to help motivate you to get done whatever it is that you need to do today. And if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can follow along. I have new videos each week, and I'd love to have you be a part of them.
You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God. It's not under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire, but
You probably noticed that I didn't take the drawers out. That's because I wanted to go through the shelves first and purge whatever was not going back in the fridge, and then work on the floor to get through the drawers. My kids were eating lunch, so I was trying to think as efficiently as I could without leaving these drawers on the floor where they could get into everything while I was cleaning the shelves down. So it worked pretty well for me. And then I just hit everything with some soap and warm water, and then went over it with some clean water and a washcloth to get all the soap residue off. I went over it a few times and the results were pretty great. Everything looked super nice and clean.
my tattoos just a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna.
I have no idea what fell here, but whatever it was seeped between the glass and the frame, I guess it's called, of the shelf, and I ended up scrubbing whatever was stuck on top off and then removing the glass to get the rest of it out, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I was really expecting to have a lot of work done, but it was okay. All in all, it took probably a lot more time than I thought it would to clean the fridge, but I was happy with the end result, and it's so refreshing to open my refrigerator now and see it so nice and clean.
And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
How often do you guys clean your refrigerators? I try and clean mine probably not often enough. Really, when I notice how dirty it is when I get in there and clean it. So probably a couple times a month. Do you clean yours weekly? Do you clean yours every time you do food shopping? How often do you clean yours? I'm curious to know.
Going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down. I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay.
Now I'm just going through the drawers and separating the good foods from the bad foods and wiping everything down. They weren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be. It's usually the one where I keep the fruit gets pretty bad because sometimes things get lost in there and things go bad. But we're definitely trying to be better with it and more mindful about consuming the food that we have. But all in all, it was a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it.
love the way the fruit looks when I leave it just free in the drawer like this. I feel like I can see everything. I know what I have. I know what I'm running low on. So I try not to keep them in the produce bags. I know a lot of people use like the prep containers and prep their fruit for the week and stuff like that. I am not motivated enough to do that, but I do like that I can see everything, so I tend to just empty the bags into the drawer, and it works for us.
Just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it. Can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon. I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya.
The drawers that were on the door were so bad. They got progressively worse with each drawer that I went down. I couldn't believe, I don't know when was the last time I cleaned them. It's been quite a while. It might have been before the baby was born, or maybe just shortly after he was born that I got in there. It's been a very long time, and they clearly desperately needed to be cleaned and taken out, and I was able to throw some things away that were not good anymore, which was great because I feel like condiments last forever and you just collect them. So it was nice to be able to free up a little bit of space in there at the end of it.
'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much.
inside of you, trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let.
Here I was going through everything and checking expiration dates. I don't eat hot sauce, so I didn't realize that a lot of hot sauces don't have expiration dates to them, so most of them ended up going back in the fridge. I tossed the ones that had close to nothing in them just because I didn't see a need to take up the space in the refrigerator with things that were nearly empty and haven't been touched in a while. So I was pretty satisfied with the end on the amount of things that I was able to get rid of and the amount of things that went back in the fridge that I knew they would get used at some point, if not soon.
When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect.
I am not even embarrassed to say this. I have not cleaned my freezer since we moved into this house. I don't think that I've ever gone through and emptied the entire thing to clean it since before putting things into it when we bought our house. Probably not a good thing. I know there are things in there that are old, not as old as this house, but old. And it was very refreshing to go in there and take out so many things. There were things in there we didn't even know we had. So it was nice to get rid of the old and leave the useful in there.
In a few years, you know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. So am I. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you.
I had tried pulling off the door pieces before and they wouldn't come off, and then all of a sudden I started scrubbing and it popped off, and then I realized I just had to pull a little harder. So it was good. I was able to get in there very good and get everything looking pretty brand new, which was nice.
Undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest But you're thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes.
Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope that you found all the motivation that you need to do whatever it is that you need to do in your home today. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Clean with Pri and TikTok at Mama to His Majesty, where I post in between posting my videos on YouTube with things that you probably won't see on YouTube and things that you will, just little tidbits on things that I do around my house in between. I would love to have you there. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe today and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video drops. Until then, I will see you next time.